friend, today I'm working world most popular city in Shenzhen. Shenzhen is China also most popular city and world electric city. This is Shenzhen. I'm near Huaqiangbei electric city near, and I'm walking the road, and this is my area, left or right side, lot of local market, and I am near about 600 meter Huaqiangbei main electric market area, and today I am walking local area. Actually my hotel, my left back side my hotel, and I'm working first. I today morning I left my hotel, and then I'm going to restaurant and complete my breakfast. Today my 3 days already. I'm complete my 3 day in Shenzhen, China, and today morning I'm working Shenzhen road, and we are now I'm going Shenzhen road, left and right, and friend, today I buy my one jacket. This jacket I wear, and this jacket I buy 200 Chinese yuan, equal to 29.06 United States dollar, and I buy this shop. Actually friend, I lived on 32nd floor this hotel, and I leave this hotel, and I'm going another hotel. This is my first hotel area, 32nd floor, and I'm going to now Huaqiangbei electric market, near about 300 meter. Friend, my front side China most popular bike UFO bike and Mobi bike. This is a yellow color UFO and magenta color. Yeah, my left side one clinic. This is Huaqiangbei most popular clinic and hotel. Right side hotel and clinic, and this hotel left side this is Eastern Mobi bike and UFO bike stand. This is a hotel. Actually friend, if you want to use this bike Mobi bike and UFO bike, first you download one app Play Store, and Play Store use, and you have a MasterCard, any company, no problem, you have a MasterCard, then you use this software, and you have a WeChat money, then you use this first ride free. This cycle policy, first time first ride free 1 hour, for 1 hour everywhere you go, then you get a ride, then you deposit about 200 Chinese RMB. Friend, now I am finally at Huaqiangbei Shenzhen. This is my front side about 100 meter. This is Shenzhen Huaqiangbei, and my friend, you look my back side, my left side, and a few cycle Mobi bike and UFO bike, and this is clean city in the world, clean city Shenzhen Huaqiangbei, world most popular city, and my left and right side, and you look this building, I don't know. Friend, and ocean that way, and ocean beach, this road and this way, ocean about near China ocean beach is about 10 kilometer from here, near total, yeah, and total this is full area, and Huaqiangbei, and left or right side lot of computer market and lot of electric company showroom and company office and wholesale area. This is computer RAM, computer hard disk, everything everywhere. This area left or right side, light left, everywhere this type, every huge company showroom and factory wholesale showroom, this area and Huaqiangbei. Friend, now I am crossing the road and moving towards Huaqiangbei electric market. Now I am crossing over the road, left or right side, used cars. Friend, finally I am crossed the road and I am already entered this walking area. This is market walking area. This road have no transport any car, and this is a working area. Huaqiangbei electric city and world biggest electric market in here. This is Huaqiangbei Shenzhen.